This hair is pure natural without any photo editing, without any processing. It is pure. You can bleach to any color with confidence and do any texture with confidence, and this hair will not fail you whatever process you want to do with it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. In today's video, let me show you the natural color of Chinese raw virgin hair. As we know, our Chinese raw virgin hair are single donor hair, and every bundle are single donor, which means this bundle is from one donor, this from another donor, and this is from another donor. So from the donor you can see, and from bundle you can see the three donors have different color of hair. Look, this is darker one, very dark one, like dark black, and this one is a little bit browner in the tone, and this is very brown, very brown. It's not bleached, it's their natural color hair. So that gives us a more choice of different color. But this is randomly. So if you are looking for like specifically this type of browner tone, you can just leave a notes or contact me and tell me that you like browner hair, and we can do it, specifically leave it for you. And if you want a darker one, you can also let us know that you want a dark one, not a brown one, or a healthy and very healthy donor and very healthy hair. We just cut the ponytail from the Chinese young women. Then we use the best hair to weft this bundle, and every bundle we are picking up very carefully to pick out this white hair if there are any, and also we haircut out this wig hair if any. So all the hair wefted are very healthy, very strong, and very natural as well. So that ensures us to have the best hair in the market and best hair overall. You cannot find a better hair in this Chinese vendor or any vendor from the world, because we just use the best hair, healthy hair, and then out of the healthy hair we just pick out, and only the best hair of the best hair we use to make the bundles. Whatever texture you want to do and whatever colors you want to bleach, this hair gives you a great confidence. You can do it just with confidence, and this hair will never fail your face. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.